it's a very overwhelming feeling that I have right now. Even up to now, no, he's treating me like family. No, sa bagay, I've worked as his campaign manager. I've served in his team as a cabinet. No, so nakakabusog na talagang nandiyan sila mag-asawa para bang they treat you as really as family.
Opo.
They're very much concerned.
Opo.
Andun talaga ang pressure
Challenge.
because amongst everyone, I'm the one who's you, lalo na sa aking apelyido eh. Yun ang problema ko eh.
Kilala sa Metro Manila po tayo, no?
Yes. So, kaya nga I'm always saying, baka po pwede sana makita na rin yung accomplishments, malaman maigi at anong platform, anong nagawa na at gagawin. Parati tinatawag ako, ito si Dilek Matias, ginagaroon ako, inaan nila ako, especially yung mga may edad, no? Nakakatuwa.
Yes.
That's how they recognize me.
Yeah.
Oo. Kasi before, when I was in Lasal, nanalo kami best play. Meron kami
so
teatro.
na-experience na po talaga.
Meron na kami.
And interest.
But then, I'm also a lawyer, so magaling ako mag-memorize. But the problem with showbiz is that hindi mo lang memorize yung script mo, you internalize, and then you act. So lalagay mo yung sarili mo doon. I'm a fast learner naman eh. Kuminsan nga, nangyayari, bago ka mag-action, dapat may respite ka ng 1 month bago ka mag-drama eh. Sa akin, labo-labo na eh. Di ba yung kay Black Rider, may barila na ganito. And then after, Dilek Matias ka naman. So I'm in my elements dahil yung papel ko ron as a lawyer. So madali. Tapos yung isa naman, ang papel ko ron as secretary ng DILG, madali din. Tapos yung action, athlete naman ako eh. I box, I swim, no? And every day I'm in the gym. Kaya madali lang sa katawan ko. I mean, yun na lang, doon ako swinerte.
So, if ever po na i-invite kayo na umarte.
Wala problema. Pero ang nakakahiya dyan, kuminsan kasi, like for example, si Katrina Halili, nakita ko, tsaka si Matet. Yung tipong, sabi niya, sandali ako, so biglang iiyak, mag-i-internalize siya. Ako, hindi ka pwede magkamali nun. Dahil once magkamali ka, iiyak ulit siya. O kaya naman, ang haba-haba na sinasabi ng script, magkakamali ka, delikado yun. Hindi ako kumakanta, hindi ako sumasaya, wala dalawang, kaya yun ang problema ko. Siguro pwede ako mag-magic, no? Wala ako mag-magic eh.
We look forward to seeing something like that.
Wala po.
Pero
Thank
yung
you.
po sa play, so